Welcome to another video by Adeptis Academy. Ever wonder what makes your phone or laptop actually work? You press a button and suddenly, a whole world opens up at your fingertips. But what's really happening inside that device? It's not magic, it's the operating system, or OS. This invisible software is the real powerhouse behind every tap, swipe, and click. Think of the OS as the director of a movie, making sure every actor or app knows their role. It coordinates everything, from the smallest background task to the biggest blockbuster app. Without it, your device is just a fancy paperweight. All that expensive hardware is useless without the OS to bring it to life. When you send a text or open an app, the OS handles all the behind-the-scenes work so you don't have to. It's constantly juggling tasks, making sure everything runs smoothly. It's like having a super smart assistant who takes care of the technical stuff, letting you focus on the fun. You don't have to worry about how things work. You just enjoy the results. Imagine your house. The OS is the wiring and plumbing, connecting everything so it works when you need it. It's the hidden infrastructure that keeps your digital life flowing. Flip a switch, the light comes on, tap an app, it opens, thanks to the OS. It makes complex things feel simple and instant. It connects your screen, battery, camera, and apps, making sure they all play nice together. Every part of your device relies on the OS to communicate and cooperate. The OS is the foundation. Without it, nothing else works. It's the base layer that supports everything you do. It's the first thing that starts up and the last thing that shuts down. From the moment you power on, the OS is in control, always working, always managing so you can watch cat videos or call your family. It keeps everything running no matter what you're doing. Without an OS, your gadgets are just expensive decorations. All that technology would be stuck in sleep mode forever. So next time your phone works like magic, remember, it's the OS pulling the strings. It's the unsung hero behind every digital moment. It's the boss, the manager, and the brains all in one. The OS is always on the job, making sure everything gets done. The OS is what makes your device more than just metal and glass. It transforms hardware into something truly useful and personal. It's the ultimate helper, making sure everything runs smoothly. No matter how many apps you open or tasks you juggle, the OS keeps it all together. And yes, it's the reason you get your daily dose of cute animal videos. So the next time you pick up your device, give a silent thanks to the OS, the real MVP of your digital world. Let's talk about the big three operating systems for computers, the ones that power almost every laptop and desktop you see around you. Windows, macOS, and Linux each bring something unique to the table. Windows is everywhere: offices, schools, homes, and even many public spaces. It's famous for working with almost any hardware or software, making it a go-to for compatibility. Think of Windows as the friendly, reliable all-rounder, great for gaming, business, and everyday tasks. Then there's macOS, Apple's operating system made exclusively for Macs. It's sleek, stylish, and super easy to use, with a focus on beautiful design and smooth performance. Creative pros love macOS for its design, stability, and how seamlessly it works with other Apple devices like iPhones and iPads. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, everything just clicks together, making life simpler and more connected. Now meet Linux, the open-source powerhouse that's all about freedom and flexibility. Linux is free, highly customizable, and actually runs much of the internet behind the scenes, powering servers and supercomputers. You might not see it on many home computers, but it's the backbone of servers, tech infrastructure, and even some smart devices. So, Windows is the popular choice, macOS is the creative's dream, and Linux is for the tech-savvy who want control and customization. Each OS has its own strengths, personality, and community of users. Choosing one is like picking a car: sedan, sports car, or rugged truck, each built for a different kind of journey. There's no right answer, just what fits your needs, your workflow, and your personal style. All three get you where you need to go, just in different ways and with different experiences. Windows is about compatibility, macOS about design, Linux about customization and control. They shape how you work, create, play, and even how you solve problems every day. Pick your favorite, and let the OS do the heavy lifting behind the scenes so you can focus on what matters. That's the power of choice in the world of computers, finding the system that works best for you. Now, let's shrink things down to your pocket, your smartphone. Two main operating systems run the show: Android and iOS. Android, made by Google, is the world's most popular mobile OS. It's open, customizable, and found on devices from Samsung, Google, and more. Android lets you personalize everything: home screens, widgets, even the look and feel. It's like redecorating your house whenever you want. On the other side, there's iOS, Apple's OS for iPhones and iPads. iOS is all about simplicity, security, and a smooth, reliable experience. Apple controls both hardware and software, so everything works perfectly together. Downloading apps is safe and easy, thanks to Apple's strict checks. The big difference? Android gives you freedom and options. iOS gives you a polished, secure experience. It's like choosing between a buffet, Android, and a chef's tasting menu, iOS. Both are great, it just depends on your style. Operating systems aren't just in phones and computers, they're everywhere. Your smartwatch runs on watchOS or Wear OS, designed for tiny screens and batteries. Smart TVs have their own OS, like Android TV or WebOS, making streaming easy. Even your car's dashboard uses an OS, Android Automotive or Apple CarPlay, to control music, maps, and more. These specialized systems focus on efficiency, safety, and convenience. From fitness trackers to smart fridges, there's a hidden OS making things work. They're the unsung heroes behind every gadget. Next time you use tech, remember, there's a secret OS running the show. Tiny brains, big impact, making life easier, one device at a time. What sets each OS apart? It's all about features, design, and the way they fit into your life. Each operating system has its own personality, strengths, and quirks that make it unique. Windows shines with its Start menu and file management, your digital filing cabinet, always ready to organize your work and files. Its superpower is compatibility, making it the go-to for work, gaming, and a huge range of software. Whether you're crunching numbers or playing the latest games, Windows has you covered. macOS stands out for its clean, intuitive interface and the dock for quick access. It's designed for creativity and productivity, with smooth animations and a focus on aesthetics. The Apple ecosystem lets your devices work together seamlessly. Start an email on your Mac, finish on your iPhone, or copy text from one device and paste it on another. Android's key feature is customization. You can truly make your phone reflect your personality and needs. Widgets, launchers, and notifications let you make your phone truly yours, with information and shortcuts right where you want them. You can change almost everything to fit your style and needs, from wallpapers to icon packs, and even how your apps behave. iOS is all about simplicity and security, with a focus on privacy and a smooth, consistent experience. The home screen is straightforward, and the App Store is tightly curated, so you get quality apps and peace of mind. iMessage and FaceTime are built in, making communication easy and secure, whether you're texting friends or video calling family. Each OS offers a unique experience: Windows for versatility, macOS for design, Android for freedom, iOS for simplicity and security. Your choice shapes how you use your device every day, from work to play and everything in between. Whether you want control, creativity, or ease, there's an OS for you, tailored to your lifestyle and preferences. It's not just about looks, it's about how you live and work, and how your tech supports your goals. The right OS makes your tech feel like it was made just for you, fitting perfectly into your daily routine. That's what makes each one special, how it adapts to you. Pick the features that matter most to you, and don't be afraid to try something new. And enjoy the experience your OS brings to life, making every moment with your device more enjoyable and productive. So how does your OS keep everything running smoothly? Its main job is managing hardware, the processor, memory, storage, and all your gadgets. The OS acts as a translator, letting software talk to hardware. The processor, CPU, is the brain, and the OS is the traffic cop, deciding which app gets attention. It switches between apps so quickly it feels like everything runs at once. This is multitasking. Memory, RAM, is your desk space. The OS keeps it tidy, moving apps in and out as needed. Plug in a USB drive or printer. The OS makes sure it works with your device. It handles the camera, speakers, screen brightness, everything. The OS is the ultimate conductor, making sure all parts work in harmony. Without it, your device would be chaos. It's the reason your tech feels seamless, not overwhelming. The OS juggles it all so you don't have to. That's real digital magic. Beyond hardware, your OS manages all your apps and files. When you open an app, the OS loads it up and keeps things running smoothly. Developers use OS tools to make apps look and work consistently. The OS organizes your files into folders so you can find what you need fast. It tracks where everything is stored and keeps your digital life tidy. Permissions keep apps from messing with each other's files. It's like a super organized librarian keeping everything in order. That's how your device stays useful and secure. The OS's biggest job? Making technology easy and fun for everyone. It hides complex tech behind a friendly user interface, menus, icons, and buttons you actually want to use. Thanks to the OS, you don't need to be a tech expert to send an email or post a photo. The graphical user interface changed everything, making computers accessible to all. The OS bridges the gap between you and your device, translating your taps and clicks into action. It turns powerful machines into helpful assistants. Whether you're working, creating, or just having fun, the OS shapes your digital world. It's the silent hero behind every swipe and click. So next time your device just works, thank your OS. It's what makes tech personal, powerful, and fun.